Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
Here we are going to discuss about our project weighted level set evaluation based on local edge features for medical image segmentation. Let's see the abstract of our project. In this, the level set method has been widely used to implement active contours for image segmentation applications due to their good boundary detection accuracy. In the context of the medical image segmentation, weak edges and inhomogeneities remains an important issue that may hinder the accuracy of any segmentation method based on the active contours implemented using the level set methods. In this project, we proposed a method based on active contours implemented using the level set methods for the segmentation of medical images. The proposed method uses a level set evaluation that is based on the minimization of an objective energy functional whose energy terms are weighted according to their relative importance in detecting their boundaries. And this relative importance is computed based on the local edge features collected from the adjacent region located inside and outside of the evolving contour. The local edge features employed are the edge intensity and the degree of alignment between the image gradient vector flow field and the evolving contours normal. And the performance of the segmentation of result is evaluated by using the real MRI and CT scan images. And this is the flow diagram of our project. At first, the image acquisition. In that, we are taken the images from our data sets for the processing, and the second stage is the pre-processing. For the pre-processing, we are performing the image resize because all the images in the data set are in different sizes. In order to for easy processing, we are resizing the image into 256 x 256 pixels. After that, the feature extraction stage. In that feature extraction, we consider the edge information or our features. The local edge features are collected from the adjacent region located inside and outside of the evolving contour. By using the edge informations, we are generating the initial contour regions. The initial contour regions are the first stage for that level set functions. After that, the contour evaluations, the initial level set evaluation function was performed. In that it uses a level set evaluation. It is based on the minimization of an objective energy function whose energy terms are weighted according to their relative importance in detecting their boundaries. After that, the final contour was performed. By using that level set functions, we are segmenting the images, medical images from the MRI images. And the performance of the system is evaluated by using the evaluation functions. Let's see the running procedure of our project. If you want to run this project, just right click on the main file and select the run button, and a dialog box will open, and just select the disk dataset and select any one of the images from the dataset, and the image get processed. And this is the final contour image, which detects the boundaries, and the red curve which shows the final contour. Using the edge informations, the nearest neighboring pixels are calculated, and it finds the boundaries of the interested portions. This is the performance evaluation graph, which shows that our proposed system will increasing in the accuracy compared to the conventional methods. And this is the final level set mesh contour. This is the final level contour image, which the interested region is to be level set. And this is our input image and initial contour, which is used to show the final level set contour, and this is the result of the image.